guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is 8:51 at night, so I'm in my pajamas. I just put the kids to bed, but I wanted to film this unboxing of my Happy Planner Happy Box. Why don't I remember what it's called? Yeah, the Happy Box. So it's a Happy Planner release that came out. It's already sold out, but who knows if in the future it'll come back. I had to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning to order this because that's the time it came out on the other time zone, and I didn't want to lose out. But then they ended up selling out probably by like 10ish my time, so I probably could have. But anyway, I just really wanted this because it's like an exclusive box that was only going to come out, you know, one time, and that's it. And I saw kind of what was in it on other people's posts and stuff, but I tried not to like really look. I just knew that it had a tote bag, and I really wanted a tote bag, because it has the Happy Planner and all this stuff. So I just really knew I wanted. So anyway, you'll probably find 100 unboxings of this on YouTube, but I still wanted to do one. So here is my box, and it is just a white box. I thought it was gonna be bigger for some reason. I don't know why, but it's like the Happy Planner tape with Mambi, and then here it says, "Your box of happy has arrived from the Happy Planner." And this is actually the first time that I've ordered anything directly from the Happy Planner website. Sorry, I keep looking at the kids because they just fell asleep. From the Happy Planner website, from the Mambi website. Everything I've gotten was from Michael's. I don't think I've ever gotten anything from Joann's, but everything I've gotten was from Michael's. So I'm very excited to have my first official Mambi product. But I did open it and kind of like, but didn't really like look through. This is my, you know, thing where it says the price and everything. Why can't I real package list? Then it has this really cute, oh my god, I cannot speak today. This is awesome. What is this? Card. It's a card when you send people. Postcard. It has a cute postcard that says choose happy, and then it has the creators, the founders. Here's a little thank you. Use this code for 10% off your next purchase. Plan a happy life for ideas and inspiration. And it has like all of their social medias. Choose happy. Then it has this really cute sticker, which I'm trying to think, where could I put it? It says, "Hey babe, happy looks good on you." Love that. And then it has the Be Happy box. That's what it's called. The Be Happy box says, "You got this, happy things inside." And then it has everything that they have inside. So I'm very excited for that. So first, it's this little like package here. It's like in a plasticky thing that I plan on probably keeping all of this stuff in, and other stuff. It's really good to like store stuff. Anyway, it's the Be Happy box, and it comes with, so you have this. It says keep it together, and you can just, it has the hole so you can punch it right in, and it has an envelope spot, so you can put it into your planner and you can put stuff in there. And then it has this closure, so it closes right up, so it's not like a folder, but it's like an envelope in your planner, and you can put it, you know, right in the middle of it. It could fit any planner pretty much, so that's exciting. And there was 2 of those. This one, keep it all together, and then this one with the floral and the dots, and it's pink on this side. Sorry for this horrible lighting, but then it has this, I think this is like a new thing they're doing, but it's stickers, and I think it's sticky notes too. This is like pad. It says stickers designed to fit the classic size planner. Each pad has 20 sticky notes. Okay, so yeah, so these are all sticky notes, but it is not, yeah, so it's a sticky note pad, but it doesn't have like the holes for you to put it into your planner. I'm sure there's a way that you could figure out how to put it into your planner if you wanted it there, like adding a paper behind it or something. But how awesome are those? I love this. Says just do the next thing. All these cute sticky notes. Then there are these 2 sheets of stickers, and it's like these glittery stickers that came out. It's like happy, you got this, just like in this teal color, and then these pink ones that are just boxes pretty much, and different, you know, decoration. Then it has a set of stamps. I've used stamps before, but it wasn't really my thing. It was when I first started. It had like the numbers and stuff. I'd rather stickers for that. But these are pretty cool because it has like a to-do list, so you can just stamp that into your planner. It has that one that's kind of like a to-do list, and then just all these sayings like brain dump, later, be happy, live creatively. You could do that to fill in a box, so I could really see myself using these more than the other stamps that I've had that I don't really pay attention to. And it has this really cute divider that says kind heart, brave soul, and I needed another divider for my planner, so I was excited for this. And then it has this note paper, and these are, doesn't say how many in here, probably like 20 note papers, I don't know, but it says do all the things. It's like a big to-do list, which I love, and then it says today, tomorrow, and then in the back, it's such a cute color, it says you goal girl, so like your goals and stuff. I love it. Then it has a new cover and back cover, the front cover and the back cover, and it says plan a happy life, which I love. It's so cute. I have my squad goals one on right now, so I don't know, it's gonna be a toss-up, but that's the best part. You can change it up. And then this is the back, and then this is the inside, so you could also make this the cover if you really wanted to. And that's everything that came in there, and this box was $39.99, I believe, and then it had $39.95 was what I paid. Yeah, the box was $39.99, and then they had that day a 20% off, so it came out to $32. It was $7.99 discount, but then shipping was $7.95, so $39.95 came out too. And I think it was worth it because the covers and all that, it's not cheap. Then they have this awesome, oh, I guess it's on here, tote bag, which I thought was bigger. Oh, okay, it is bigger down here. I was like, I thought this was bigger. Okay, and it says be happy, and what I love is that there's like a bunch of these that came out, so it's like, you know, I mean, there's a bunch of people who are gonna have it because a lot of people got the bag, but it's like an exclusive thing. And then it says live creatively and happy planner, and then here on the side it says me and my big ideas. And then it has this cute pin of my favorite sticker. I love this sticker. It says plan a happy life, and it's a pin that you can leave right there on your bag, and I love this. The bag is just a tote bag inside. I love because I take my planner and my memory planning and all that stuff when I go to my mother-in-law's house sometimes, and now I have a cute bag to put it all in. And this is the main reason why I wanted the box. So that is my unboxing of the Be Happy box. I hope they come out with another one at some point in time because that would be cute to have it. Like, I wish they had like a subscription box. That would be awesome. But this is what I had in my planner. This is currently the planner I am using. I have the quilted cover. It's the classic squad goals. Look at my to-do list. This classic squad goals planner, and I just have the actual squad goals one in here. It's my first time using this layout that goes this way. I'm getting used to it. I also have these dividers with the pockets, and I can put the other ones in there too. And I have the wellness extension pack and my goals and all that, and I just have a couple months in there at a time. And then I have these teacher dividers that I found on sale, so I have a few of those. Keep calm, turns on the lesson plan. I think I have 3 of those, so now I can put the other one in. Yeah, this one is like my today, and it says messy classrooms are where the magic happens. So that's a little quick run through of, and this is the back of the squad goals planner cover. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know if there's any planner videos you would like for me to do. I want to do more of my style of planning and why I plan and all that, but if you have any specific questions, leave them down below because I love planning. So if you don't plan, wait, what is it called? Failing to plan is planning to fail. Think about it. See you guys next time.